It's unbelievable what you find here. Look at this, for example. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Sascha from the Hero Expedition Europe, where I try to do something heroic every day. And I've reached my final destination in Portugal, where I teamed up with Camilla from the Hero Tribe, and she is organizing a beach cleanup every week.
Every week. So every Friday I'm working here for the surf camp, Goodtimes Surfcamp in Portugal. Wonderful place. And now the season is 10-12 weeks long, and every week, once a week, we go with the guests and try to do something for our environment, and yes, doing this beach cleanup.
It's unbelievable what you find here. Look at this, for example. Yeah. This is a good example for a major problem of this plastic epidemic we created on this planet. It is that something like styrofoam here, it's just dissipating in small particles, and once it's microplastic, it's so hard to get out of the environment. Look at this, that's the rest of a plastic bag. It's completely shredded into pieces, and the rest is somewhere here on the beach.
Although this beach is on first sight a really clean beach, it's unbelievable how much we find every single week. And I'm going exactly this path here now since 5 weeks. And it's really the microplastic that maybe you find everywhere, and also some bigger bits and pieces. It's very frustrating.
Nicht alle auspacken. Danke für den Hinweis. So, und wie heißt dieser Tomat?
So that was a successful beach cleanup. I found it very satisfying to do that, and we had a lot of trash, as you saw. Camilla, how did you come to the idea of doing it here every week?
I lived for several years in Vietnam, and I saw so much awful pollution there of the environment, and when I came back to Germany I just really felt the need to do something, and then I started working here for the surf camp. And just before I came to this season here to the surf camp, I went to a plastic conference organized by our fellow founder Joanna of the Hero Tribe. And there I met Jennifer, and she is the founder of the foundation Küste, gegen Plastik, Coast Against Plastic. And she created this really great app as well. It's called Replace Plastic, and you can use this app going into the supermarket, and you just can scan products that you would like to buy, but they are packaged in plastic. And this app will generate an email sending it directly to the company that created this product, and will inform them that it's a good product, but I cannot, or I don't want to buy it because of its packaging. Jennifer,
pretty cool.
Jennifer has been already really successful with it, and it was just the last kick to find or organize these weekly beach cleanups. And we will put the links of Küste, gegen Plastik and also this great app into the description underneath this video.
Yeah, it's a super cool app and a super cool idea, and yes, I found it really satisfying to do the beach cleanup. You saw week after week that there is again plastic waste and microplastic on the shore, and yeah, you're still super motivated, or is it frustrating also?
I find it quite frustrating, to be honest. Of course, it's also satisfactory when after an hour cleaning up you find so much trash, but I guess I would prefer not to find any kind of trash, because we're going week by week actually the same path, and every week we are generating the same amount of trash, or we are finding the same amount of trash. And so I just wish that we find a way to get rid of it, and maybe have more people that go out there and collect plastic in nature, or even in towns, and see for themselves how much is there out, and maybe it would make a change in their mindset in using packaging and throwing it away as well.
Yeah, I think what we would need is on every beach of the planet, in every forest, on every parking lot, just a weekly cleanup, and then the trash comes out of the environment, and people will change their mindset, because you will think twice if you collect trash and then you won't throw it in nature again. So try to do that. It's a really good thing to do. You feel really good, and also you understand how it works, how plastic becomes microplastic, and how it disintegrates into small parts that you don't get out of the environment anymore. It's really, do it with your kids, do it with school classes, it's really good. That was this video, and it was the last video of this season of the Hero Expedition Europe. We will of course continue in the Hero Tribe, do little challenges and missions and quests, but this was my Europe trip. I learned a lot. I hope you enjoyed it, and write something in the comments below if you did a forest cleanup, a beach cleanup, or have ideas about it. And see you not in the next video of the Hero Expedition Europe, but on the next video in the Hero channel. See you guys.